Hello everybody, Smosey back again. I'm back with a little baseball break today. I got 3 mega boxes of 2019 Topps Chrome Update. Now each of these come at $19.99. You only get 28 cards per box. You're looking at a chance for some autographs and superfractors. That's kind of cool. You can get a superfractor out of a $19.99 box. I think they've cranked the presses this year. I think there's a lot of this made, just to let you know. Been hearing a lot of reports of like 50 of these per Target and stuff like that, but picked these up at Target.com, so I got these, for $19.99 ship free. So let's go ahead and open up box one. See what we get. Hoping for a couple of good rookies, Chrome cards with some parallels. I'm not sure what the rate of autographs are falling right now. There's also a chance for, I think, printing plates in these. I don't have much luck finding these at the store, so when I saw them online at Target.com, I just picked up 3 boxes. Check them out this year. Alright, pack one. We got Hernandez rookie, Hensley rookie, Santana, and Pedro Martinez, the family business. Pretty sweet looking card. There's the insert. Alright, back to Josh Donaldson, Martin, rookie debut. Oh, that's cool. Arenado and Christian Yelich. Luis Castillo, David Dahl. Ooh, we got an autograph. Josh Martin. Nice. Nice surprise there. Or Jason Martin, sorry. Jason Martin autograph, rookie autograph for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Alright, pretty good start there. At least got one auto out of the 3. Alright. Awesome. We've got George Brett, greatest player. 150 years. Alright, cool. Good pack. Alright, let's see if we can get a color parallel on one of the next rookies. The rest of this box. There's a Keston rookie, base rookie, Strata, Carter Boom, and Diaz. I don't have a base refractor yet. Keuchel, Turnbull rookie, Brendan Rodgers rookie, Tony Gwynn family business. Alright, 2 more packs of box 1. While we're hitting auto. Polanco, Justin Verlander, Cano, Randall. Alright, base pack, 5 packs. Another Keston rookie debut rookie. Baez, Mookie Betts, and Cal Ripken Jr. greatest player. So no parallels, but I did get the autograph, so I wonder if you get a parallel or an autograph. Maybe. Box 2. Alright, pack 1, box 2. There's a BGO rookie. Ooh, Aguero debut rookie. Not bad. Freddie Freeman and Michael Brantley. Trevor Story. Michael Chavez rookie. Kind of cool shot there. Yastrzemski rookie. Corey Seager family business. Anderson rookie. Russ Riley rookie. Nate Lowe rookie. Ooh, Tatis Jr. debut rookie. Refractor. Not bad. Very cool. Alright. I've got 1 base refractor out of this so far. DJ LeMahieu. Rookie. We got greatest moments, Sandy Koufax. Oh, Vlad Base rookie. Martin, Nick Senzel rookie. Nice. Neither. Alright, 2 more packs. And box 2. DJ LeMahieu, Cody Bellinger, Chris Bryant, and Ken Griffey Jr. family business. Nice. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we just get the 1 base refractor. Britton, Pence, Reynolds rookie, and Hank Aaron. Greatest players. Alright, last blaster. Only 1 base refractor. That's pretty rough, but at least I got Tatis Jr. out of that. Alright, last box. Pack 1. George Springer, Kimbrel, BGL, second BGL rookie, and Goldschmidt. We got Alonso rookie. Anderson, Canning, Cron, Roger Clemens family business. Tatis, rookie debut rookie. Marte, oh, there we go, Alonso. Sleeve him. Base rookie, All-Star rookie actually, and Merrifield, All-Star rookie. Reezy. Greatest moments, David Ortiz. All right, so I got 3 packs, no refractors yet. 2 more packs to go. Lane Thomas, Scope, Puig, still in the Reds uniform, and Mitch Keller. Alright, 2 more packs. For some color, maybe. Kershaw, Lindor, Contreras, and Hank Aaron. Oh. Last pack. Could be a non-refractor box. Austin Riley, Eloy, rookie, not bad. Collado, and Charlie Blackmon. Alright, that is the break. Let me put things together and do a quick recap of the break. Alright, ended up with 6 of these family business inserts, pretty much 2 per blaster. So, pretty nice looking insert. I do like these. And then the greatest player ended up with 5. So, again, almost 2 per box. Insert wise, rookie cards. This stack is rookie cards, not just vet based. So you can see you get absolutely a ton of rookies. You got all the good guys you're looking for. I pulled out 3 boxes, so can't complain there. I only pulled 1 refractor out of all 3 boxes. Kind of shocking there, how hard they are to hit. But I did get a Tatis Jr. refractor rookie, so pretty nice for getting 1. And first box, Mojo. Jason Martin autograph. So pretty rough. I do think they cranked up the presses this year. I don't know for sure what the print run is compared to previous years. I don't think I'll open up more, but I definitely will be picking up singles. I'll be picking up refractors. See how hard it is just to hit a base refractor. So I'll be looking to pull out the parallels out of these, just at card shows and whatnot. So pretty fun break, like I said, but I don't think I'll break more. That's it for this break of 2019 Topps Chrome Update Mega Box, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.